It happened during today's review of the District Attorney's proposed budget by the Onondaga County Legislature. Bill Fitzpatrick told the lawmakers of his accomplishments during the past year and his initiatives for the year to come. But at one point, the DA sounded off about a strained relationship with the leadership of the Syracuse Police Department. To illustrate his point, the DA referred to the Syracuse Police Department's complaints about the DA's oversight of the crime lab, and that resulted in a state investigation. An investigation which found no problems with a crime lab.
Our lab was rated one of the best in the state of New York. And yet I have to spend hours and hours and hundreds of hours finding out whether or not there's a bed bug infestation at the crime lab, as alleged by the Syracuse Police Department.
The DA also pointed to his recent decision to drop charges of resisting arrest against Brad Hewlett. He's the disabled man who suffered a broken hip after he was tased for not sitting down on a Central bus. At the time, the DA said the arrest was not justified and was troubled by police accounts of the incident that seemed to conflict with actual surveillance video.
But you have to understand that you are not here to guard these people and control their lives. You're here to protect them.
The Hewlett incident brought about protests from advocates of the disabled who claimed that it was a case of police brutality. Fitzpatrick feels the mayor and police chief should have addressed those concerns.
Where is the response from the hierarchy of the city? Can someone say something other than there may be litigation?
Many legislators appeared stunned by the DA's comments.
When we need to figure out what our law enforcement priorities are and figure out the best way to handle these issues and work together.
During the presentation, the DA pointed to some positive accomplishments, including a crackdown on welfare fraud that has disqualified 369 people from receiving benefits. That's 25% of all the disqualifications in New York State.
Why? Some idiotic bureaucratic reason. I can't give you a reason why. But now, because of my persistence, Onondaga County will be 1 of 2